Delhi Metro, and it is packed. All the train stations seem to be packed in India. Well, you know how it is, population density, and I think we just missed our train. We towards Dwarka.
Yeah.
Then we.
And we have to get off at Janakpuri East, right?
Janakpuri East.
Yeah. So we're here. We get Janakpuri East.
So we just missed the train.
Oh, it's fine. It was very full.
All the trains are going to be very full. Like, I have a feeling this is the right train. So
When will the next one?
it's quite beautiful. Like, all the people coming together, going all these different places. Dash minutes, 5 minutes. We're just waiting for the train. But I think I've recovered from that shopping experience now. Yeah, or I might be a bit traumatized actually. Do you want some more? Yeah. So it's normally 40 rupees for a Sprite. That's 10 rand, and it's a big one as well.
That's also what I give in Baroda. It's correct.
Oh, it is. So you knew it. See my mom always tells me about the importance of knowing prices, and now I know why. No, it's like the blind leading the blind, because it's the foreigners. They're asking the foreigners where to go, and I'm not sure. But also, because it's such a crowded space, I think also just keep an eye on your stuff. Yeah. Keep vigilant, and hopefully you can find a seat. Okay, looks like there's no seat, but at least we can get a pole or a handrail.
In Denmark, right, the average height is so like
high,
tall.
yeah.
So these ones, like in the
That's
metros,
at your head. Yeah,
I can't
wait,
reach
you
that.
can't reach them.
No.
They have special ones for short people. Okay.
Balance.
We're gonna have a video one day. It's gonna be us comparing the trains of India to the trains of Denmark. Although I'm sure there's no comparison. But yeah, let's have a little rush of people in the train now. Oh, he just missed the train. He almost got smashed. But yeah, he's playing that off cool. Look at him, fixing his jacket. Yeah, he's fine. He's cool. He just missed his train. Shame, man. I'm sorry. I hope you get home safe, bro. Bye bye.
We get off at East, right? Because there's also West.
Yeah, I think it's like the same station. So.
Is it? Different.
Fun fact that the Dwarka that we're heading to is not actually Krishna's Dwarka.
No, that's in Gujarat.
It's in Gujarat, yeah. And that's where she's from.
Yeah.
Gujarat. All the family's there. But apparently no alcohol.
No, not in Gujarat.
No alcohol at all. It's got a ban. So.
It's because it's Mahatma Gandhi's birthplace.
Just because of that?
Yeah, because he was
Mahatma Gandhi was Gujarati.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Like, the more you know, Mahatma Gandhi is Gujarati. He's also on every single note in India. But I think, Modi deserves a note as well.
Maybe.
I don't know,
In the
consensus.
next,